Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to make the best Kool-Aid ever. Simple. Okay. Fruit cocktail. Got this at Walmart. The most important ingredient: Milo lemonade from Walmart also. Oh, and the last thing is the bowl we're gonna put the Kool-Aid in, okay? So let me show you how to do it. Pour it in the bowl. Make sure you didn't spill anything. Okay. Alright. Second step. The Milo lemonade. Open it up. Check off the security. Pour it in the bowl. Finally, the Kool-Aid. Make sure it's gotta be tropical punch Kool-Aid, alright? It's gotta be tropical punch. You gotta pour it all. Grab yourself a fork and you stir. Just stir. Look at that, beautiful. Now you're gonna put it in your freezer for about 30 minutes. Alright? Let's go to the freezer. Thank you so much, freezer. I really appreciate it. Now, oh my gosh. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna feed a little creature called the fat Kool-Aid drinking hummingbirds. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Feed the motherfuckers.